Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Catherine. It's been such a long time since I posted a video, but here I am back again. And today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. And I'm going to share with you, as I had promised earlier, how you can do affiliate marketing on Facebook. Yes, guys, you do not need a website to do affiliate marketing. You can actually get into affiliate marketing on your, using your Facebook account, in Facebook groups, and all that stuff. And in this video specifically, I'm going to show you how you can earn $650 a week with affiliate marketing on Facebook. So without further ado, let us jump into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is get a product that you're going to market. Because as I said before, affiliate marketing is a business model where you market someone else's product. And when someone buys using your link, you actually get a commission, and that's how you make money. So if you want a full explanation, you'll check out the other video. I explained affiliate marketing in full. One of the places you can get offers or products to promote is Digistore24, and this is where we are. This is the page. So it's very easy to sign up. Just go on Google, type in Digistore24 as I've done here. And okay, I'm trying to highlight, but it's not highlighting, yeah. And then just click on the digistore24.com, and it's very easy to register. It's very easy. If you're in Kenya like me, this is one of the best affiliate marketing networks, or how do I call them? Like marketplaces where you can get offers, because it allows us as Kenyans and several other countries to create accounts. There are many others which we'll be talking about as we go along. So we are looking for a product. So the first thing in affiliate marketing is you have to choose a niche that you actually enjoy, or you have an interest in, or you have experience with, So don't just promote anything. Don't go promoting random stuff, okay? So here I'm going to give an example. There are so many things here. You can select different niches: animals, pets, betting, business and investment, computers, etc. So I'm going to click on this one: intermarketing and e-business. So here there's one product that, okay, the first one, let's just go with the first one, okay? So there's this product, Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. So how you go about this, you just click on this button, promote now, and it will give you, actually, let's click on that. It will give you a link that you're going to use to promote the product. Okay, didn't click. Let me just click on it again. Promote now. Yeah, this is the link. Your promo link is here, and as you can see, it has your special code. So that's what you're going to be using. So now we've gotten a product, okay? The next thing, you're going to go to a Facebook group and you're going to promote that link. But wait, guys, uh, before you start actually promoting your link, I want to explain this to you, how you're going to go about promoting the link. First of all, promoting affiliate marketing products, like products that you want people to buy, it should actually benefit you and benefit the end user. It should benefit also the owner of the product. So if it's a course or a physical product, everyone should benefit at the end of the day. So why Facebook works in promoting affiliate marketing links is if you're going to offer value to people, all right? So the aim is to actually go into groups that are related to that niche, and hopefully you're already a member in so many groups, because as I've said, choose a product or a course or a physical product that is in a niche that you're already interested in or you're already involved in. Okay, so let me give an example of myself. I'm into freelance writing. That's my main gig. So maybe I want to now start promoting, like affiliate products. I will just go into those groups that I'm a member in and be a contributor, be actively commenting on people's posts, give very valuable information so that people can notice you and so that people can actually start trusting you. You remember we talked about winning trust from your audience. So the aim is that people can start trusting you. They know that you always offer value. So if you're in many groups and you're talking about the whatever the group is about. I've just opened this. This is not my Facebook group, but I'm a member. But it's a friends. It's a group for a friend of mine. So, and it's actually a group that you should join if you're a writer. It's very good for newbies. So if, like, let's say I'm here contributing every other time, and people know that I offer valuable information, and then one time I come with a product and I'm promoting it. I tell people, buy this product, it's going to help you, or buy this course. People are most likely going to follow, are going to click on your link and actually buy. If they really want the information that you're promoting, the course that you're promoting, they will actually buy from you. And it's as easy as that. Like, guys, it's as easy as that. There are many other tactics of going about this, but today I'm just specifying about, using Facebook groups that you're already a member in. Okay. But remember, every group has its rules. So if the group that you're in does not allow you to add a link, there is a way you can go around it. All right. So you can share some information about valuable information. Let's just go back to the example I was using. Let's say this is about, you see, this is Tube Mastery. So it's about, getting onto YouTube and making money out of it. So maybe just using the group that we have here about freelance writing, maybe I will be there telling people that, telling the writers there that they can diversify their income and that they can get on YouTube to start earning from it. And then, talk about it, and then you can actually post, create a post and talk about how you have actually benefited from getting it onto YouTube. I'm using this example because this is like my own situation. I hope you will, be able to flow with it. So, for example, you tell people, I've actually gotten into YouTube and it has been helping me to get extra money apart from the freelance writing income. So, then you promote this product. You actually say, like, if you want to know how to like make money on YouTube, and you're in this group, just leave maybe a yes in the comments, because maybe that group, I'm not saying that's the case in this group, but maybe the group you want to promote your link in does not allow you to add a link. Okay, so you can just say, post a yes, and then everyone who answers comments with yes, just tell them, would you like me to send you, more information about how to make money on YouTube? And then if someone agrees, now you just message them in their inbox. You give them that link. And if they end up buying, that's it. You've made money out of your affiliate link. It's as easy as that. So just so that I can actually fulfill my promise on the title of this video, how you can earn $650 per week with affiliate marketing on Facebook, I'm going to give you the exact example that you can use even if you want to start making this money today, and you're serious about it. You can actually make this $650 today on with affiliate marketing on Facebook. So let me give you the example. So I know I told you one of the places you can get products to promote is Digistore24, but there are other ways of getting products that you can promote. So you can get like individual companies that have an affiliate program. So the example I'm going to give you today is Bluehost. And what is Bluehost? It's a web hosting platform. So for example, you're a freelance writer and you're really good at freelance writing, you've succeeded in freelance writing, and you have a website, a writer's website that is doing very well, that is actually bringing in clients for you, and you want to teach other people how to create their own website and use it to get clients. I hope you're following. So what do? You go to those groups where you're a member, among other freelance writers, and you actually show evidence that you have a website and that it's been bringing in money for you, like clients, drawing clients. And you tell guys that you can actually teach them how to make their own website for free, guys. You can tell them that you can teach them how to create their own website and start getting clients through their website, or maybe just because you can't guarantee that they will get clients, but just promise that you will help them make their website, and it's very simple. If you're in freelance writing, as I'm using this example, you know how simple it is if you have a website. Okay, so you're just going to help them do that, but the only thing, the catch will be that they have to open a website or create a website using your affiliate link. That is the trick, guys. So just look at this page. Join the affiliate team for Bluehost. Refer your readers to Bluehost with your affiliate link and earn $65 for each qualified hosting purchase. It couldn't be more simple. And guys, for real, it isn't any simpler than that, like easier than that. So just click on sign up and sign up to Bluehosting affiliate program. It's very easy. Just type Bluehost affiliate on Google and then select this first link and you sign up. It's very easy to do it. If you already have a website, actually, I don't even need to explain it to you because I'm sure you probably know about this. And you go to those groups, and what if you can imagine how many people want to know how to make their own websites as freelance writers. So getting 10 people who are willing to put in the money to just pay for their website, because they're not paying you anything. All the money they will put in is for the hosting, Bluehost hosting, and then you are the one who is going to direct them on how to write great copy for their web pages and how to promote themselves on the website. And that's it. You have 10 people clicking on your link. That is 650. That is $650. And why I said in a week, because I'm just giving a rough estimate. Like if you're going to train these people for a week, how they're going to set up their website and all that, it can actually take you a week to do that for everyone. And make your $650 per week. And that's it, guys. It's as simple as that, how to earn $650 per week with affiliate marketing on Facebook. I hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more videos like this. I won't be staying away from YouTube for too long as I've done. So look out for more videos like this. I'm Catherine. Thank you so much for watching. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit on the subscribe button. Yes, because this is where we talk about how to make money online, especially through freelance writing and affiliate marketing. Bye, guys. See you next time on the next video. Bye.